Hello, my fellow adventurers. Boy, do we have a special one for you today. You will be glad you tuned in. I am in the motherland for all tech nerd geeks. I am in the heart of Cupertino, California, at none other than Apple Park. We are going to be picking up and unveiling my brand new Apple Watch Ultra today. Just dropped today, first day available to the massive public. Apple Watch Ultra, titanium, beautiful, waterproof, scuba, mountains, you name it, ultra rugged. Let's go see what they got for us, shall we? I'm nerding out. This is gonna be so cool. Getting close. YouTube channel. There it is. Here it is, folks. Apple Watch Ultra. Titanium, waterproof, double the depth, up to 60 hours of battery on low mode. Let's see what we got. I love this place. It's like a playground for children with money. God, it's like Christmas, but I bought it myself. All right, let's get this thing home. We're gonna open it up. I'll show you what it looks like. You know what? I was gonna drive home, sit down in my chair, open this thing up and plug it in, but like a kid on Christmas, I can't wait, and neither should you. So, while we're here in the majestic beauty of Apple Park, let's go ahead and get that on there. There we go. Open up my little friend here. See the magic, folks. There it is. Look at that. There's a pattern on here. You can already see. They do everything big, don't they? How's that for a reveal? You know, you could buy any old watch from any old store. It ain't this cool. There it is, in printed form. Obviously, because I'm not at home, I'm not going to power it up, but I will open the box so it is officially unveiled. Alright, this next part is going to be interesting. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. There's the band. Oh, here we go. No turning back. There's one. Go. All right. Oh. I'm gonna have to cheat a little bit here, I think, and use both hands. I didn't bring a tripod with me. Let's see if I can, yeah, maybe I can get it. A little nervous, don't want to drop $799 worth of new toy just because I'm trying to get it on YouTube. Alright. There is the new action button. Flat, trying to get a focus here. Flat-faced crystal. The new bigger bezel knob. That button there has been raised slightly, ever so slightly. Of course, we have a new sensor array on the back. Get that into focus there. Watch, Apple Watch Ultra. 100-meter dive, 40-meter. So it's water resistant to 100 meters. It's dive rated to 40 meters. Not too many swimming pools that deep. 49mm titanium and ceramic case. Sapphire crystal, GPS, LTE. And it's actually, unlike the regular watches, it's got a bolt-on back, so it's reinforced there. All right, the rest will have to wait till we get there. All right, folks, well, we're home from Apple Park. As promised, I'm going to conclude this epic unboxing and reveal of my new, never before seen Apple Watch Ultra. So if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna turn my attention to it, and let's see if we can't get you in on the action. Okay, so you saw this. Goes over everything. Some of the cool features, if you didn't read the stuff online or watch the videos, you now have a compass app and waypoints, so you can set points and then follow it back if you're ever out in the woods or you're just lost in a car park somewhere in a parking structure. It gives you a backtrack feature, so it will record your route so you can retrace your steps. So that's pretty cool. And of course, that's made possible with this little addition. This is the action button. You can configure it to mark a waypoint, start a backtrack, control a workout, begin a dive, turn on or off the flashlight, press and hold it to activate the siren, which brings us to this next one here. This here, they say, is an 86 decibel siren that will be heard up to 600 feet. So if you're ever out in the middle of the Tahoe forest or something, you could hit that button there and it will sound that siren and alert people to come find you. So you see they've redesigned the wheel, pardon the pun. They've got a raised crown guard. They've included an altimeter and depth gauge for real-time measurements of altitude or underwater depth of up to 130 feet. Side button is now slightly raised, so it's easier to get to with gloves on, so you don't have to get hypothermia or whatever, frostbite in your fingers. You can retrieve your medical ID, activate the siren, start backtrack. That's fun to say. So basically it does some of the same features as the action button. Corrosion resistant titanium sapphire crystal. 3 microphone array, so we'll triangulate audio from the array to enable active wind and noise reduction for clear communications. For the next time you're climbing Everest or the Alps or something. This is a basic setup instruction. You do that. Who hasn't done that with an Apple Watch at some point? So that's good to know that's still the same. All right. And these are some of the flavors. They have Alpine, Ocean, or Trail. So the Alpine loop has little loops on the loop, so you can hook the hook on there. The Trail band is ultra light and breathable. Also, fun fact, sold out. In fact, 2 of the 3 Alpine loops are sold out. So you can have any color that you want as long as it's starlight white. And the Ocean one is pretty much made out of the same material as like wetsuits and stuff, I guess, or fins rather. Some sort of really elastic rubber. So it'll fit over your wetsuit. At least that's what they tell me. All right, so here we are. Another look at it now that we're not outside. Now let's get this Alpine loop. There it is, guys. It's coming online. Of course, I'll have to put it on the charger and take. All right, here it is in all of its glory. This is the default face. I haven't changed anything. It literally just came online. I chose to set my action button to a waypoint so that I can mark my trail. Try to get a little, don't mind the hair. Now, they tell me, I can't do this because I'm holding my phone, but they tell me if I turn and rotate that dial, it'll go to all red, kind of like a night mode, so it's not so hard on your eyes at night. So I'm gonna do that. Unfortunately, you can't see me do it, but you'll see the after effect. So there you go, that's night mode. Not just for when you're out in the middle of nowhere. I can see how that might be handy when you're driving at night. Say you decide you absolutely have to be at Vegas by morning. That kind of thing. Alright folks, well, that is the unboxing and initial review. I'll give you my thoughts, a couple months down the line. Did I like it? Did I not like it? Did it stand the test of time? Did it break? Did I have to get another one? You'll hear all about it in another video. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for coming along on that epic journey of me getting a new toy and you wanting one.